Are you a farmer looking to enhance calf welfare, ensure worker safety and streamline your operations? Look no further. Introducing Benic calf trailers, the future of calf transportation. Calf welfare is the heart of what we do. Our trailers are designed to provide optimal comfort for your calves. The safe and comfortable sling system guarantee a stress-free and smooth ride. When your calves arrive at their destination, they'll be healthy, happy and ready to thrive. Using a Benic calf trailer is a simple two-step process. 1. Prepare the sling. 2. Load your calf. It doesn't get any easier than that. With a user-friendly design available in a single rail 12-calf system for smaller farms and 24 and 30 calf Euro hitch units for tractors, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can get your calves loaded and on their way to your calving facility. And all without a strained back or injuring your precious livestock. Our trailers are sturdy, reliable, ergonomic and manufactured to last. We've been building them since 2017 and use them on our own farm. They've never let us down. At Benic, we understand that safety comes first on the farm. That's why our calf trailers are engineered with safety as a top priority for both workers and livestock. Our innovative design ensures that your precious calves are secure during transport, reducing stress and injuries. With Benic, you can be confident in the well-being of your animals. We know that your farm workers are your most valuable asset. Benic calf trailers are easy to use and are designed with your workers in mind. Loading and unloading calves is a breeze, reducing the strain on your team and ensuring their safety. Benic calf trailers are proudly manufactured by our partners in both Australia and New Zealand. We're committed to serving the needs of local farmers and contributing to the growth of agriculture in these beautiful regions. Our trailers can arrive fully assembled or flat-packed to your farm gate. Join the growing family of farmers across Australia and New Zealand who trust Benic for their calf transportation needs. Experience safety, calf welfare, worker safety and ease of use like never before. Contact us today to learn more and let Benic calf trailers take your farming operation to the next level. Benic calf trailers, where safety meets efficiency and your calves' welfare is our top priority. Invest in the future of your farm today and make the smart choice with Benic.